Hello guys, we're back in another video of Mr. Fact, and today I'm going to tell you how to use the input statement in Python properly and what's the functions of it. So what's the input statement, you might ask? Input statement is to input a value or text into our program when running it. So like I'll show you example. We'll just add a comment line. If you don't know what is comment line is a line which computer ignores completely, and it's for human users to see what is happening in the program. It's not completely necessary to add it, but if you want to add it, it's good. So first we'll do here. This is a command line, then we'll go down. Okay, now what is input? Like take a variable, variable, right? Variable is the area of computer memory used to store data. So we'll take a variable like okay, we'll take it name. Name is a variable. Now we can write a name in this, but like if you I already taught you how to write the name like this. Just write a name. I didn't teach you that, so I'll teach you this also. So you can directly write your name in this variable, like go here, put quotation marks and meet Savash. Now now I'll show you the result of this program. Module, then we have to save it and save it as input. Now see the result, nothing. So you understand? I'll show you again. If you all remember, yesterday I taught you this. It's print statement which you're missing. So we'll do print here, and then we have to write a variable name. So this is a new concept to you all guys, but it's very easy. So first, we just put a variable here, right? Name, and then we can just directly write a name in this bracket and quotation marks, and then just write a name, then go to print, write print statement and brackets, and write the variable's name. And I'll just give you one more example with this. I'll write a variable age. Now age will be, I can directly do here age 12, age 12. Okay, now print name, save. Now you understood. Now this is another concept. They give us name error. Now first we have two mistakes here. First is our name wasn't in capital but we wrote the variable name in capital, so we have to write this also in capital. And second, we didn't mention the age variable right here. Age, here we write print and age. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, so here we got our easy starting variable printing. So now this was this. Now I'll teach you how to input a result, and like this we just directly wrote a age in this. Like if someone else has to write their name and age, I'm waiting for someone else, so they can't write directly into the code. They have to write from the running code. Wait, I'll just show you. I don't be confused. So first we'll just take a name. The variable will be name, exactly same. So let's start name. We can write input. Now this is input. This is very good, means important part of input statements. Write input, then make a bracket, then write your prompt. Prompt is a message for human readers to see what they have to input in this statement. So here we can write enter your name. Okay, understood? This was easy. Then we'll go to age again. Age equal input and enter your age. and sure. Now this is this, and then print will do. Will if you know like we write in the equation or something like my name is then your name. Okay, I'll write this. My name is wait, and this quotation marks is what my name is. We don't write it for printing the variable. This is just for string. And I'll just show you. My name is, then we put a colon and then our quotation mark again, then put a comma and then print the variable name. Here we printed one variable called name here. Just now perfect. Then again do print statement, then put quotation marks. My age is, then put a colon and then put a quotation mark, and here we got it, and then age. Okay, now see what the result will be. The module save it. Now they're telling us to enter a name by itself. So before in the program you told they all you saw they already gave us our name because we already entered into the code before running the code. We already entered directly, but now we're telling to input and other person will input their name, not we. So we can just write enter your name. I'll write like okay, I'll write Mr. Facts. Mr. Facts. Then they tell your age. I'll write 12. Same. Now see, as we planned, my name is Mr. Facts, my age is 12. And this was input statement. I wish you understood it and it was not so hard. And if you need any other video for input statement, just comment down and I'll make it. Bye, see you.